Hey everybody, this is a quick video just showing you how to use modules in Canvas. Mine are set up a little bit differently than you might be used to, so that's why I like to show you a quick video. So here I have just gone to the modules tab on Canvas, and your first module, which is what you should look at after the course orientation, is getting to know this course. So this video is actually under the how to use modules video. You'll have a video under each of these. This is right here, the Let's Get to Know You activity. That's your first quote unquote assignment so that I can get to know you a little bit. And then you have a chemistry glossary that you can use throughout the semester. I'm going to jump down to our first content module, which is Unit 1, just because we've got the breakdown here, more so what you need to know for the rest of the semester. Excuse me. So you'll start each unit with a quick little beginning information page. You can click on this. It really just tells you like the standards that are covered. It tells you the objectives that are covered and a little breakdown on like how the unit will work. It'll also give you a link to your Unit 1 interactive notebook, which is down here. So let me just go ahead and click on this so you can see it. And we'll go back. So like I said, it'll give you your goal for the course, your for this unit, your objectives. It'll give you a like pre-unit poll, just kind of see what you remember from other science courses. It'll give you a link to the Unit 1 interactive notebook that will force you to make a copy, and then just give you, a breakdown of the course. I'm going to go back here. Let's see. Pop back up. And yeah. So then you can use the little next buttons at the bottom. I don't know why I disappeared, but that's fine. You don't have to look at me. Then you've got your must do's. So these are things you have to do by the end of the unit. Your should do's, which will help you further what you're learning on the must do's. These are more like your group activities, things like that, your labs, virtual or in person. And then your aspire to do, which is this is the last thing you can do before the test to help you prepare. This is what could get you a 100 in your interactive notebook, those kind of things. So I want to show you just what a regular day would look like in here. Your first lesson, which will be on the second day of class, will be on lab safety. So we're going to click on this lab safety page. And this is what your pages will look like almost every day. I'm still working on some videos, so like if you were to jump in further units, you may not see those videos. So don't fret about that. But you'll see your standard for the day or your objective for the day. Then I've got listed what you need to complete. So you've got a must do, which is to watch this video and complete your guided notes, which are supplied. You've got a should do, which is a group activity on paper. Actually, these are in your interactive notebook, so I'm going to fix that you can complete with other students who have already done the notes. Then your last thing you need to do, or last two things here, but usually the last thing you need to do is your must do, which is your mastery check. Most of yours, actually all of your mastery checks are on paper except for this one right now. And that is just because it's easier to keep track of them on paper in terms of like not letting answers get shared, taking pictures of anything, that kind of stuff. But you have your mastery checks here. You'll attempt mastery check 1. If you get mastery on that, then you move on to the next lesson. If you do not get mastery on that, then you're going to do some review. Go back and do the should do if you did not already. Remember, should do's are extra, like you don't have to do them. It's very good to cut them out if you're getting closer to the end of the unit and you're running out of time, but you have to do the should do if you do not get mastery on the first mastery check. Once you've done that and you've reviewed with me and your group mates, then you can go and try mastery check number 2. And then you've got your lab safety contract, so you really need to get that signed so that you can participate in labs, in hands-on labs. And then, like I said, you can hit the next button Once you've gotten mastery, you can move on to the next lesson. And it's the same thing. You've got your notes that you need to copy. When you fill in your notes and you watch these videos, you absolutely need to show them to me, or if the sub is there, show them to the sub before you move on to the must-do mastery check. If you want to take these notes and go over them with your neighbor while you do the group activity, that is perfectly okay, because like you see here, you've got some example problems. You can go over those and see if you get the same answers, what you did or didn't understand, and then move on to the mastery checks. So that's really about it when it comes to your videos. So, or when it comes to your modules. Hopefully this is pretty clear to show you what you need to do each day. And remember, you get to work at your own pace, but you do have a deadline for the test day for the unit. I will make sure that is very clear from the get-go when your test is due, okay?